Struggling? Feel like breaking your phone or your computer? You're not alone. I get it. You've been playing Hyper Hexagonest for a while. You've beaten the other modes, but now you want to master what's the most impossible task of trying to get 1 minute in a unforgiving mode called Hyper Hexagonest. To do the triple C, just go clockwise or anti-clockwise depending on the momentum of movement. The next pattern is the rain pattern. This will take time to learn, but most often it is right, left, right, left, right, or left, right, left. As demonstrated in the example, the double whirlpool is either meant to be spun anti-clockwise or clockwise depending on the type of pattern it is. With time, practice, patience, and an unnerving amount of practice, you will learn to beat Hyper Hexagonest. I know this doesn't cover all the patterns that Hyper Hexagonest has in store for us, but it'll give you a decent understanding of how to play the game and not fail so easily.